This is a video about how to use BitLocker on Windows to encrypt your entire drive or specific partition. So all your data on the drive or a partition can be protected against unauthorized users. However, first of all, you need to check your Windows edition, as BitLocker is not available on all the Windows Home editions and the Windows 7 Professional. Here are the steps. You can click on the Start menu button and open Settings. Click on the System and scroll down to find About. Now you can see this is the Windows editions installed on your Windows computer. If you are using the Windows Home operating system and you really want to use the BitLocker, here's a solution. You can visit the m3datarecovery.com and download the iBoysoft DiskGeeker for Windows. This is a wonderful disk management tool that can make BitLocker available on all the Windows Home editions. With this security tool, you can easily encrypt partitions and hard disks using the BitLocker drive encryption. So you can free download the iBoysoft DiskGeeker for Windows and launch it. From the main interface, you can see the BitLocker section. Now choose the drive you wanna encrypt with BitLocker and tap on the button. From here on, you can follow the simple instructions to complete the BitLocker encryption of your drive. If you are using the Windows operating system that supports BitLocker by default, you can directly turn on BitLocker without any third-party software. To do this, you can tap on the Windows search box and type in Control Panel and tap on the result to open the Control Panel. If your page is not displayed like this, you can switch to large icons and choose the BitLocker drive encryption from the menu. Now you can see this is the place where you can encrypt your drive or partition with BitLocker, like operating system drive, fixed data drives, removable data drives. Now I'm taking my flash drive as an example. I tap on the Turn on BitLocker button. Now the wizard pops up and it lets you to choose how you want to unlock the drive. I want to use a password. So now I entered password and entered password the second time. Once the password is input, you can click the next button. Now you can decide how you want to back up the recovery key. The recovery key is a very important decryption method in case you forget the password. So it can help you unlock and decrypt your BitLocker encrypted drive as well. So you can save the BitLocker recovery key to a file or to the Microsoft account. Now I choose Save to a file and choose Desktop and click on the Save button. Now you can see here is a generated BitLocker recovery key. You should keep it well in case you need it. Once the BitLocker recovery key is backed up, you can tap on the next button to continue and choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You can encrypt the used disk space only or the entire drive. I prefer the first one. Now you need to choose what encryption mode to use. The compatible mode is recommended and click next. Now you need to confirm whether you want to encrypt the drive with BitLocker and click start encrypting. The process, how long it takes, depends on the data amount on the drive, so you need to wait patiently. So this is basically the whole tutorial about how to enable BitLocker on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching.